Hi everyone, today is day 8 of Inktober and the prompt of the day was teeth. I'm very sorry for unfocused picture in the beginning, it will go away very soon. This drawing shows a story of a Red Riding Hood and a wolf, but in this case the wolf is helping the Red Riding Hood to bring a basket to her grandma. Since it's Halloween season, I wanted to create at least one Halloween inspired drawing, so that's why I thought it would be nice to draw a wolf and the Red Riding Hood, but I also didn't want to make the drawing too spooky or too gloomy, so I tried to take a more funny and cartoonish approach. That is why my wolf is not scary, but instead he's quite goofy and very cute. The main difficulty of this drawing was the fact that I needed to draw a total black wolf creature and at the same time make it a recognizable one so that people could understand that it's a wolf and not something else. So what I did, I researched a lot the pictures of wolves and tried to see what are their distinguishable features, and they have a really thick and distinct color play, so to say. They have a lot of fur there, and it's much more different than the ones that dogs have, for example. So I thought this could be a nice way to make it clear that this is the wolf in front of you. Also, the wolves have this rich, so to say, fur on their cheek area, and of course the ears. Another tricky part of this drawing was to draw the lantern that Red Riding Hood is holding. The thing is that the lantern should be lit, and since it's a black and white drawing mostly, it was quite hard to make it look like it gives light. So I actually did this by mistake. I made a very light gray circle around the lantern and it looked quite lit because the background is grayish and the white lantern stands out, so I really liked how it turned out in the end. I hope you enjoyed this drawing, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, and I see you in the next video.